Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll learn how to use may in English. May shows permission. Example. You may go in now. You are permitted to enter. May also indicated possible future action. He may leave tomorrow. He hasn't decided yet. Let's change each of these sentences to introduce may. 1. It is possible you will feel better later. 2. Perhaps it will not rain this afternoon. 3. It is possible that we shall be late for the meeting. 4. Perhaps he will not want to go with us. 5. Possibly they will go by plane. 6. Perhaps they will go to South America instead of to Europe on
their vacation. Do you know the answer? Let's go. 1. It is possible you may feel better later. 2. Perhaps it may not rain this afternoon. 3. It is possible that we may be late for the meeting. 4. Perhaps he may not want to go with us. 5. Possibly they may go by plane. 6. Perhaps they may go to South America instead of to Europe on their vacation. Wish you happy in English, Kern.